Hi guys! Surprise, surprise! You didn't expect to find me here in the middle of the week, right? Today I have something very quick for you. I would like to share a couple of fabrics that I bought. I don't buy too often, so it's kind of like a collective haul, but really just a few fabrics, and I promise you that this video is going to be definitely under 10 minutes, maybe even 5. We will see. Let me just quickly jump into it and show you what I have bought recently and what I'm planning to make with it. By the way, if you are wondering what I am wearing, this is one of my me-made stuff. For those who haven't watched the latest video, this is the set that I have made. It is not a pajama set, but it feels like one. So today I have totally 3 types of fabric here. So let me start with the first, and this fabric is the one that I have a couple of different versions here. It is one of my favorite double gauze. Of course, you should know by now. So the first print that I have here is this very cute, I think these are oranges. It's really nice and soft fabric. If I compare it to the other fabrics that I bought from the same website, by the way, all the links will be down below. I can't promise that you will find exactly the same fabrics, because many times if they sell out, you don't find exact same fabric again. So keep in mind. But anyway, I wanted to share it with you. So this is the first one, and compared to the other double gauze that I bought before, this one doesn't have this wrinkle effect that usually double gauze have. If you imagine double gauze, this one have just kind of like a flat surface. Yeah, but it's very nice, very soft. I love the print, by the way. I really love it. It's really nice. It's also great for children, and most of the time you will find like a children clothes or some kind of accessories for babies to be done from this type of fabric, because it is so soft and it's cotton. So this was the first print that I have. The second one is this very cute, I think it's figs with a little tiny dots in between, lighter and darker gray color. Very nice. Also very soft, very comfortable, whatever you decide to make with it. I guess you would like to also know if it's transparent. There is it. I would say not so much. Definitely you can make some dress out of it and you would be totally fine in summer, especially if you make like a gather skirt or something like that where there is a bigger amount of fabric. However, I personally am not planning to make any dress, nothing like that. Basically, my plans and the idea behind buying all of this double gauze is that I just so badly want to refresh my pajama drawer, because as you know, we are moving and I feel like this will be my first project to make once we move, to make me feel like home and comfortable. Few sets of new pajamas I think will help me with that, because I'm this type of person. Whenever I change the environment, I have to do a few things to make me feel like home. It takes me time to adjust to a new place. Whatever it is that can make me feel better, I'm going to do. And the last of 3 double gauze is this one with a little tiny bicycles on it. This one is also very cute. Probably many of you would agree with me that they are really more suitable for pajamas. It's not forbidden to make something else out of it, but I think that pajamas will be really cute. So this is the last one. And by the way, I just realized that all of them where the name of the print and the brand is written usually, all of them have written Netherlands. I just realized that. I guess that's really a sign, right guys? I swear, I just realized it. That's kind of cute. So I forgot to say, sorry guys, very important. I bought all of them together, all of them 3 meters cut. I paid €5.70 per meter, which is a great price for the quality, the softness and the cuteness of the fabric. So it was a good deal. And if you are wondering which pajamas I'm going to make, of course, my favorite fabric store This is a Devin set, very classic set of pajamas, so this is what I'm going to use. Maybe for some of them I will make a short sleeve, maybe I'm going to use Augustina boxy top for some of them. I'm going to use this set of press buttons. I think that this will be very cute for pajamas, very easy, very quick to install. I will just try to find something very similar, and I will put a link of course down below. And the last double gauze that I bought, I didn't buy it in the same time. Again, it was a time of sale. Very typical double gauze in this cream color, and this one I think I bought 5.5 or 5 meters because it was great price, and I already used a little bit of it in one of my projects. I will put a video here if you haven't watched it. Let's continue. Another fabric that I have here for you today is surprisingly not for me. It is this jersey knit that I have here. If you have watched my video where I made kind of like a summer set, it's quite popular video on my channel. Many of you have watched it. So this is the same fabric, just in different color, but I feel like this waffle binding, this texture is a little bit smaller scale than my white one. And as I said, this is a fabric that I didn't buy for myself. I bought it for my husband. He asked me if I could make some kind of like a very casual shirt with a short sleeves for him, just to wear on the beach. And, yes, it's the middle of the August and I haven't made it yet. Shame on me, shame on me. What can I tell you? But definitely I am planning on using this fabric for him. I'm not going to forget about this project and just make something selfishly for myself. No, I'm going to use this fabric for him. This one I got 5.5 meters, and I was thinking if he liked this fabric so much, maybe I will make some type of set for him if he wants. And the price of this fabric was amazing. Again, it was a sale time. I bought it for 6 euros. Yeah, okay, let me move this out of the way because the queen is coming and I want to have a space in front of me. So the last fabric that I bought is in this plastic bag because I'm stressed that I will ruin it. This fabric was expensive. Well, not really expensive considering what it is. Actually, it was a very good deal. Let's get it out and show you. Of course, it's nothing else than silk. I have bought 3 meters of this beautiful silk charmeuse in this champagne color. Do you ask what kind of project I want to make? The answer is I don't know. I don't know, but I bought this fabric when I was in Paris and I don't go there very often, so I took a chance and I went to my favorite shop. By the way, I will put the name on the screen and I will put the address in case you are in Paris. This is kind of area with a lot of fabric shops close to each other, and this specific shop is full of really great quality fabrics for great prices. Of course, they are not cheap, but the type of fabrics and the quality that you find there compared to price is excellent. I paid 60 euros for it. That means 20 euro per meter. That's crazy. But to say, the width of this fabric is not 140 or 50 centimeters as usually, but it is 120, so little bit less, but still it's amazing fabric. And for those who don't know what is silk charmeuse, it is little bit heavier silk with amazing drape. It is not transparent at all, and especially you will know it easily because the right side of the fabric is very shiny and the wrong side of the fabric is matte. Probably I'm going to make something very simple, something that I can put on and feel amazing. And no guys, don't worry, it's not going to be pajamas. It is most probably going to be some type of dress with a biased cut, or maybe a biased cut skirt, something like this that I have already made on my channel. Very simple to make. You know, you don't want to do some crazy designs with silk if you don't have a lot of experience sewing it, because this is not an easy fabric to sew with. But I think I will be soon ready for this type of project. Okay guys, so I guess that's it for today. I know, not so many fabrics, not so many different ones, maybe not too much exciting. That's why I decided to not post this video on Sunday, because I didn't want to disappoint anyone and I feel like I would. That's why it's in the middle of the week. Anyway, I really wanted to share it with you. I highly suggest a fabrics house, link down below. Never disappointed, great quality fabrics, great prices. If you will ever be in Paris, please go and visit this shop, especially if you are looking for some great fabrics. They have a lot of silks, they have a lot of cashmere, they have a lot of beautiful wool for jackets and coats. So definitely go there because you will find some hidden gems. I hope you are not disappointed that I didn't show you more fabrics, but I'm just being realistic with you and I do not really buy many very often. I already have quite a big stash at home. And also you got one extra video in the middle of the week, so I guess that's nice. Okay, that's it guys. Thank you again for watching. If you like the video, hit the like button. If you are not subscribed, consider subscribing as usual. And see you on Sunday, I guess. Bye guys.